Hello, welcome to 5th generation Navi Shop and welcome to another vlog, another testing, another unboxing, another video testing. So this is the WE. This is the Glock 35 4 series. This is two-tone silver slide black frame. This is airsoft gas blowback pistol. Yan, WE 4 series. And shout out kay Sir Eddie. Okay, Sir Eddie, shout out and welcome to 5th generation Navi Shop. So, may kasama siyang gas at saka airsoft BBs. And the bulb tool, sir, available. Okay. So, it comes with the owner's manual. May kasama siya owner's manual. And this is the magazine. Ayan. The magazine is 24 rounder capacity. And the unit, ito yung unit. Ito yung merong full automatic, semi and full automatic, meron siyang switch. Ayan. So, itong bulb tool, ginagamit po siya sa mga bulb. May dalawang bulb kasi ang magazine yan. Ito, tsaka ito. Ayan. So, luluwagan lang natin. Luwag lang muna. Then, ito naman yung sa outlet. Okay, pag maluwag na, pwede nyo siyang patakan ng oil para mag-absorb yung oil sa loob. Ayan. Higpitan natin. Okay. Tamang higpit lang po, no? Huwag nyo pong higpitan ng todo kasi mapuputol po yan. Mapuputol po yung bulb. Tanso lang kasi yan eh. Hindi siya inihigpitan talaga ng todo. Saktong higpit lang yan. Ayan. Okay. Madalas kasi, pag may sumisingaw, or may singaw yung magazine, madalas dito lang yan, sa bulb. Pwedeng lumuwag lang yung bulb. So, kailangan talaga yung bulb tool. This is the bulb tool for the airsoft gas blowback magazine. Okay, so this is the unit. 4 series Glock 35. Yan. Two-tone, silver slide, black frame. Made in Taiwan yan. Basta WE, made in Taiwan yan. Okay? Ito yung kanyang switch para sa full auto and semi-auto. So, yan. Semi-auto yan. Pag bababa nyo po, that's full automatic. Yan. So, yan yung design. May Punisher skull, fiber optic, sight, front and rear. Nakamagwell na rin siya. Stippled grip. Tapos meron na rin siyang lagayan ng accessories, flashlight, tracer unit, and red dot. Pwede siyang lagyan ng red dot. Okay. Testing. Check natin ilang EPS. Okay. Ganda niya rin, no? Punisher skull, fiber optic. Okay, testing. Check natin ilang EPS to. Ilang EPS kaya to. Okay, again, this is the Glock 35 4 series with full automatic. So, semi-automatic muna tayo. Testing. Okay, firing. Sorry, wala pa pala siyang gas. I'm using the number 14 na blop. Wala pa pala siyang gas. Nakalimutan ko lagyan ng gas. Okay, ang gamit natin ay number 14 power up. So, medyo malakas to ng up to 5 to 10 EPS compare sa number 12 yung standard power. So, sigurong karga mo lang dito is 2 to 3 seconds lang. Okay. Lagyan ko na ng gas, bala. Okay, testing na. Okay, firing. Okay, nalaglag yung isa. Pinasak ko kasi ulit. Okay, 355.2. Wow, lakas oh. 351.6. 358.8. Okay. That's the EPS. Open slide, release mag. Okay, so balahan pa natin ulit kasi may full auto to. Testingin natin yung semi-automatic and full automatic. Damihan natin ng load. Semi and full automatic testingin natin. Okay. Okay, so testing, semi-automatic muna. Nakaangat yung switch. Ganda ng sight niya, oh. Fiber optic. Pairing. Okay, semi-automatic. Full automatic, baba lang switch. And firing. Grabe. Oh. Lakas. Open slide, release mag. Hatak mo lang 'to. Hatak mo lang tong slicer, no? Yan, tapos balik lang natin sa semi. Petix lang tayo sa full auto. No, semi-automatic. Okay, so again, this is the Glock 35. This is the Glock 35 4 series silver slide black frame by WE. This is an airsoft gas blowback pistol. Sa mga interested po, ilagay ko po yung details sa description. Check nyo na lang po. Thank you and have a nice day.